The Shoulder Dolly makes lifting easier. This revolutionary system allows you to lift heavy and bulky objects by using leverage. Your Shoulder Dolly consumer set includes 2 one-size-fits-all lifting harnesses made out of polypropylene webbing, metal tension buckle which allows you to adjust the lifting strap, 1 12-foot by 5-inch lifting strap which will adjust to any size object, 1 multilingual instructional guide. Languages include English, Spanish, French, and German. To put the harness on, separate the webbing over your head and put it on like a shirt. Then adjust it so that the metal buckle is by your waist and the X is in the middle of your upper back. How to thread the tension buckle correctly. Once the 2 harnesses are on, double check to make sure the word front is facing out. To thread the strap correctly, take the end of the strap up under the bottom of the buckle. Go up through the hole, then go back down through the front hole. To adjust the length of the strap, you hold the buckle horizontally with one hand so the side of the bar can slide back and forth while the strap moves through the buckle. The first step is to squat down. The deeper you squat, the higher the item is to be lifted. The first technique is how to lean the object back and place the lifting strap underneath. Or if the object has clearance, just slide the lifting strap under the object. Most lifts, you will place the webbing under the center of the object. Adjust the webbing for the height of the object and the lifter. Once the webbing is in place under the object, squat down and hold the buckle. One of the key lifting techniques is to simultaneously push with your arms and lift with your legs as you lift the object. It is very important that while you are raising up out of your squat to keep your arms locked and straight. To release the lifting strap, there are 2 options. You can either lean the object back and remove the strap from the side, or with many items you can just pull the webbing from underneath the object. If used correctly, the Shoulder Dolly is a great tool for taking objects up and down stairs. Keep your hands in front of your shoulders and push against the object. Communicate with your partner. To avoid tripping on the excess webbing, make sure to wrap it or tie it up. Tip: keep the object horizontal while you are moving. Also, for safety reasons, you should not take your hands off the object while walking. As with most projects, an essential element of success is communication. Talk often with your partner, ensuring each of you is comfortable and aware of the objects in your walkway. Stop at all doorsteps and stairs to secure your footing. If the object is properly balanced, one person should be able to release the object with one hand and open the door. Work together with your partner to set objects down. Make sure you are both squatting down at the same time to release. When ascending or descending stairs, the rule of thumb is to have each lifter lift the object 12 inches off the ground. The object should remain horizontal to the stairs. Good communication throughout the lifting process is essential.